Welcome to CHD Mini Pose tutorial. In this video learn, how to add kitchen printer through Ethernet port. Before you start, make sure that both your device and kitchen printer are turned on, and properly connected to your local Ethernet network, via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Correct network configuration, such as static IP addresses, must be provided, as it may affect the connection quality with the printer. Start by swiping down the upper bar of the screen, and tap the menu dots in the right corner. Select Launch Configurator. Tap the menu bars in the upper left corner. And select PRG mode. Swipe up the PRG sections list and tap section 40. Tap the plus symbol to open the settings window of a new printer. Enter the printer name using the screen keyboard. From the type option list, select option 2, Ethernet. Enter the printer IP address. Make sure to enter the correct IP address of your network printer. To find it, check your local network or printer settings or contact the network administrator. In setting number 4, enter the relevant printer port number. Swipe up the settings window to make any other settings, as required. When all the required settings are complete, tap Confirm. The added printer is now displayed in the printer list. Please take into account that your kitchen printer will work only after setting the PLE groups and items in them, and after linking this group to the printer. To return to MiniPose, tap the back symbol. Congratulations! Now you know how to connect kitchen printer to your device through Ethernet port. Thank you for watching this tutorial.